welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with Dinami. So we have this mango tree in the backyard and it has produced loads of mangoes this season, and after distributing it to neighbors and eating truckloads ourselves, there's so much left. So I know just the right thing to do with these mangoes. I'm going to be making jam with them without the use of preservatives or chemicals. So I hope you guys enjoy the show.
The ingredients required to make the jam are 1 apple, lemon juice, and for 1 kg pulp of mango, you will require half a kg of sugar. Let's chop the apples. The pectin in the apple skin and the apple binds with sugar and fruits to form gel and give you jam-like consistency. It also shortens the cooking time, resulting in fresh fruit flavor. Let's scoop out the mango as well. I like my jam to be chunky and I don't want it all smooth. So I'm going to add some mango chunks to the pulp. To do that, we make a hedgehog out of the mango cheeks. This is how you do it. Don't worry about a perfect hedgehog because the chunks is anyways going to dissolve. Use a blender to turn the apple into puree and the mango as well. Now add the apple puree to the cooking pot as well as the mango. Give it a stir and then add in the sugar. We add lemon juice because the citric acid in it lowers the pH value, making the whole thing acidic in nature where microorganisms cannot grow, therefore acting as a preservative. You need to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Now we can add in the hedgehogged chunks of mango. Making jam actually takes me back to my childhood because my mom used to make so much jam. We had this peach tree in our backyard and it bore lots of fruits, and we used to distribute it to the neighbors just like the mangoes here, but we would still have enough to make many bottles of jam, and I remember she used to sell them and it used to be delicious. You can make jam using this method with a lot of other fruits. If you're making jam with apple, papaya or any citrus fruit, you need not add an extra apple. The mango that I am using is slightly fibrous. It is best to make use of non-fibrous mangoes like Alfonso, Rumani or Banganapali. Please, really please wear a lengthy apron if you have, and also use a long spatula because these splurts are like whiplashes. They are super hot, so be careful. To know that your jam is ready, you need to do a plate test. Take a little bit of jam onto a plate and tilt it slightly, and if it's still runny, then the jam still needs a little bit more cooking. If it's not runny, then your jam is ready. It took me about 1.5 hours for the jam to be cooked, but it's totally worth the wait. It is so delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. And I hope you also make a lot of jam and preserved mangoes. The longer it lasts, the better. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Also, I'm on Instagram, so please follow me on Instagram.